This is our new Caravan that we just bought. It's an Amara Coachman Pommy import. It's got all the satellite dish on the roof and stuff. It's pretty hard out, high tech. And here you got all your gas bottles and all that, and all your storage. It's got like 2 big awnings with it, and bells and whistles. It's got all its own brakes, and it's a pretty cool setup with automatic braking and that. Well, it's beautifully made. It's got like a this here is your this is gas powered, like LPG for your barbecue. You just got your barbecue in there, and that at the moment is heating the water. That's so you got hot water and all that, and this is the fresh water, full of fresh water, and you pump and everything goes inside the tank. And this runs your shower and everything, and that's a 12 volt connector because the pump's inside it, and there's your water. And it's just got a little micro switch inside, so when it releases the pressure, it just turns on and starts pumping the water. It's cool, man. Hot water as well. And this is the Easy Mover, which is a motor mover. And see, it's got little teeth on it under there. And you just wind that into the tyre. And then the whole Caravan's remote control. You can just drive it around wherever you want. It's like bloody playing Xbox. It's mint condition. Like it's hardly ever been used. It's amazing. This here and here is all your cassette toilet and all that. And you can just obviously fill that up and then just pull it out and take it and pour it in the septic tank or flush it down the loo or whatever you want. But and here's all your battery and all that jazz. All these windows are all double glazed, and they all open, and yeah, they've all got fly screens and the biz. And outside here, like, you can put a big awning. It's got all the feet and stuff you want it. You can put a big awning in here, and it's like a big tent that comes out here, out on this side. And in here you've got like it's got its own gas supply, so this is for in your awning. And it's even got a heater, it blows all the heat into the awning as well, which is pretty cool, I thought. It's got an apron that goes on here down to the ground, and there's all storage. And for your awning you've also got a 240 volt plug in there, so you can run all your electrical equipment in your tent. That's the other side of the Easy Mover. This is for the fridge, because the fridge inside it runs on 240 volt, runs on gas, and it runs on 12 volt, so it's like multi-run. No excuses to have warm beer. And that's the kitchen door there. It's got sunroofs, and that's your grey water tank there, and that collects all the grey water out of your sink and out of your shower, all that sort of jazz, and we collect all that and just pour it on the garden. Yeah, this is inside it. It's got all your alarms, smoke alarms and all that, but the front door is like a split door that can either close like that, so it's a whole door, and you got your screen that goes up, and it's all adjustable, whatever height you want it. And otherwise that door there can split in half. You can open that, and that door there just locks up, and then you got a screen that comes halfway down. Yeah, so you can let the air in there. I thought that was pretty cool. Think of everything. But yeah, all these windows, like this is the kitchen. It's pro, man. It's like it's got a full oven, warmer drawer, full on oven. It's never been used, truly, never been used. Griller, never been used. The hobs have been used, obviously, because You gotta eat, don't you? The hobs are all like, look at that. That's mint. And even the tapware is like, we looked at lots of caravans, they're all plastic and junk, but mate, this is all like steel tapware. And oh, this is the sink side. Look at that, mint. It's like brand new. Brought it off an old couple, Bob and Gail, lovely couple, in Whangarei. Bought it. Look, each window's got its own fly screens and its own shade as well. Every single window's got that. This is pro. All the windows double latched. The bathroom, look, the cupboard is just the bathroom. It's got full suns, like full screened off vents and everything. Look, all steel slider, steel taps, mixers. Mate, mint. I mean the teal blue's probably a bit gay, but yeah, look at all the mirrors, light, another mirror there, cassette toilet, shower, storage. It's pro. Toilet flushes and everything. Another wee cupboard in there, and there's a full like table for outside and the awning and all that, and more storage. There's your fridge for freezer and that. That's running on gas at the moment. It's pro, man, uses hardly any gas. It's got a wee freezer in there. Yeah, it's been chugging away on that bottle for ages. Another table there, more storage. All like perspex doors, quite nicely made. Tell you, man, it's like a blooming luxury house. Look at the seats and that. Whee! Full on central heating, like pumps it right round the whole place. All through those vents down the bottom there and all that. It's all controlled there. It's running on gas at the moment. Oh, that's the hot water, sorry. But the heater runs on gas and runs on 240 volt, and it runs on battery. Same with all the ventilator system. That's the hot water tank. That runs on gas and 240 volt. Yeah, that vent there, that turns on the vent out to the awning, so they can get heat or let them freeze. Welcome to our piece of paradise. Look, these are all fly screen off. Even these little windows here, man, all open, and they've all got fly screens and shades, and it's got curtains as well. Oh mate, overdone. It's got a stereo in there. Even this top sunroof here, that fully opens, but that opens up. See, that was the fly screen come shade, and then it's got a whole shade as well. Yeah, so it's pretty cool with it closed. Keeps the heat out, but I like it better like that. So it keeps the flies out and it lets the ventilation in. But that whole sunroof, it opens right up. It's got gas struts on it and that. You can have it open right up, but sometimes it's a wee bit too breezy. But in there, that's all your, that manages all your power. You can even run the whole caravan off the car battery if you're towing or something. What else has it got? It's got all 240 volt plugs in it. Another wee table there that folds down. All these actually fold out into the bed. There's a big thing that slides out here, and see, that's just like a slat bed practically. It slides out from under there. Pretty cool. Thought of everything. And yeah, and then you rearrange these squabs and all that. It makes like a double bed here, real comfy too. And this is a table, and that pulls out, and then that folds up, and the table comes out to about here, I suppose. Otherwise, you can get the other table out of the cupboard there, and that can join on the end, so it can make the table come right out to the edge, which is pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Heaps of storage underneath all there. That, under there's the little hot water cylinder, and that's a real trick, eh? I've read all about it, I've been reading up about it, and yeah, they're pretty neat. And the motor mover, it's so cool. What did I do with that? So I'll show you here. It's the remote. So this is the electrical mover thing that's underneath it. You just turn it on, and it's wireless. You just use these buttons, and you can just drive the caravan around. It's real cool. So easy to manoeuvre. Mum's going to be doing some watering, I think. Yeah, love it. Oh, it's even got a little one up there. This is above your kitchen. That's got, you can shut that off as well. Or you can just have it open with the fly screen. Or you can just have it open. Real nice.